question.
First guy chickened out.
No, that don't happen. First guy chickens out, then the jump master kicks him out. You laugh, I'm serious. You actually get kicked out. That's awesome.
Okay, you never have to know.
Hey, apparently that guy's not heavy enough.
It's like, oh, right.
These soldiers are jumping with combat equipment. Typically, if they were in combat, they would be jumping with equipment equal to their own weight, maybe even a little more.
That's correct. And you're talking about a long trip also. These troopers today came all the way from Pope Air Force Base in Fort Bragg in North Carolina, making the 2-hour-and-a-half trip here.
Oh, dude just landed on the runway. Oh my God.